Okay then, I've bought a new shark helmet as my old one has been broken and it is old and it was due for a new helmet. So I've decided to buy this shark helmet. Reason why I bought this particular one is it's got one main couple of good things that I liked about it, and therefore this is why I bought it. Now this one obviously comes with a spare visor, which I doubt if I'll ever use it. Okay, the stickers have already come on there, so these are the glare ones in the dark. One here, one on each side, on either side, and one at the back. Now the good thing I like about this is when it rains, I think this is for the rain not to go into your neck. It's just fallen out, which is a good design. I like that. Very good. It's got the usual vents, one at the top, one at the bottom, nice and soft. You got the visor and the black visor. Now the second thing that I also like, this one has got lights. Got two lights there, one here at the front and also one at the back, which will be two at the back here. Now what I do like, I like lights, so I like to be seen when I'm on the road, especially at night. Okay, let's see what they look like. The switch is underneath here, and you've also got the charger cable that's tucked away in there, and there's a switch. So let's turn it on. So you've got, let's turn this light off for a second. So you got that at the front and at the back. They look like this, which is pretty cool. And if you want them flashing, you can also have them flashing. Yeah, and also I like the quick strap on these, the quick on and off lock. Just push it in together and then pull it out, just easy. So no weaving in and out like the old one, and it's very comfortable so far. We'll see. Okay, thanks for watching. Any thoughts would be appreciated.